If your Lenovo laptop is running slow, freezing, or lagging while you're working, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple methods to help improve your laptop. Solution 1. The first method is to optimize your laptop's storage drive, which can help improve overall performance and reduce lag. Click on the Start menu and search for Defragment and Optimize Drives, then open the matching result. In the Optimize Drives window, select your main drive, which is usually the C drive. Next, click the Optimize button. Windows will begin optimizing the drive. Once it's finished, close the window. Solution 2. First, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type %temp% and click OK or press Enter. A folder containing temporary files will open. Press Ctrl+A to select all the files, then press the Delete key. If Windows says that some files are currently in use, simply click Skip. This is completely normal. Next, press Windows key plus R again. This time, type temp and click OK. If an administrator permission window appears, click Continue. Once the temp folder opens, press Ctrl+A, then press Delete. Now, press Windows key plus R once more. Type Prefetch and click OK. If an administrator permission window appears, click Continue. The Prefetch folder will open. Press Ctrl+A to select all the files, then press Delete. Once you've finished deleting the available files, close the folder. Solution 3. Click on the Start menu and type System Configuration in the search bar, then open the matching result. In the System Configuration window, click on the Services tab. At the bottom of the window, check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services. Now uncheck the third-party services that you don't need. Next, click Apply, then click OK. A message will appear asking you to restart your computer. Click Restart to apply the changes. Now, let's move on to the next solution.
Solution 4. The next method is to make a few small changes in the Registry Editor that may help improve your Lenovo laptop's performance. Click on the Start menu and type Registry Editor in the search bar. Then open the matching result. Once the Registry Editor opens, expand H-key Current User. Then expand Control Panel and click on Mouse. On the right side, locate Mouse Hover Time and double-click it. Change the value data to 10. Then click OK. Next, under Control Panel, click on Desktop, and then click on Menu Show Delay. On the right side, change the value data to 10, then click OK to save the changes. After making both changes, close the Registry Editor. Solution 5. Click on the Start menu and type System in the search bar, then open the matching result. In the System window, click Advanced System Settings on the left side. Under the Performance section, click Settings. In the Performance Options window, select Adjust for Best Performance. Then check the 2 options shown on the screen. Now click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. Finally, restart your Lenovo laptop and check if the lag has improved. Outro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful laptop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.